If you've ever been interested in owning or starting a business, carpet cleaning is the perfect choice and we can teach you how. This is a commercial job that we did 2 years ago. I don't remember the square footage. I just know it was a $2,000 job and it took most of the day. There were a lot more spots this time in areas where it looked like drinks had been spilled. This time it took about 5 hours and we used about 10 gallons of cleaner and we charged them $2,000 again. So after labor, which was $40, and cleaning solution, which was also roughly $40, it was a $1,920 job that took about 5 hours, all while not using a traditional truck-mounted carpet cleaning process. Our equipment is very durable, extremely reliable, and not nearly as expensive nor complicated to maintain as a truck mount. That usually means more money in your pocket. So carpet cleaning is a very lucrative business and we can teach you how to do it as well. Our course teaches you everything you need to know about our business and how we do what we do, and it's only $1,000. You can easily recoup the cost of the course in less than a week depending on how you charge, which we teach you how to do as well. And if you're a veteran or a first responder, the course is half off. A small thank you to show our appreciation for what you do. Thank you for your sacrifice. It is greatly appreciated. You can reach us at 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching and take care.